pages are taking long to load. All right. Story number 1. ChainUp embarks on transformative Web3 journey through strategic alliance with Zilliqa. So Zilliqa, good for you. This is out of Singapore. This looks pretty big-ish. So if you're a Zilliqa holder, here's a nice onboarding for you. All right, well, there's nothing for me to really say about it, so let us proceed. Singapore, ChainUp, a front runner in corporate blockchain solutions based in Singapore. So, I guess I will say one thing. Singapore wants to be a tech hub, right? So they're embracing distributed ledger technology, AI, all of it. All right, just so you know. So ChainUp, a front runner in corporate blockchain solutions based in Singapore, is proud to announce a strategic alliance with Zilliqa Group, renowned for its pioneering efforts in developing the Zilliqa blockchain, a layer 1 protocol acclaimed for its high performance, formidable security, and minimal fees. One second. With operations in financial centers, like Singapore, Hong Kong, Dubai, UK, and Australia, ChainUp's network of over 450 digital asset exchanges and established relationships with numerous fintech firms, Web3 entities, brokers, and investors will massively expand the market access to both organizations. So great for Zilliqa. In this collaboration, ChainUp will serve as an infrastructure partner for Zilliqa Group, aiming to support Web3 initiatives in areas such as loyalty programs, gaming, the spatial web, and tokenization. On the foundational side of this partnership, ChainUp will operate a staked seed node to process transactions across Zilliqa's decentralized ecosystem. This puts it in the list of SSN operators, including Google Cloud, which recently started providing node infrastructure services on the Zilliqa network. All right, so Zilliqa's got Google Cloud helping them out. Good stuff, too. On the end user side, in support for the intense push into gaming and loyalty by Zilliqa, ChainUp will provide MPC wallet services to Zilliqa and its partners. This is highly secured and regulatory compliant. Right? This is regulatory compliant product. Essential to the partnership. ChainUp's MPC wallet services for these institutions will lay a strong foundation for the partners' focus in security, regulatory standards, and transaction integrity. Exactly. As institutions come into the space, they have to make sure that everything is regulatory compliant. I've preached here. If you're new to this channel, all right, these big boys that you see doing stuff, the hedge funds, the banks, the institutions, and all that, yeah, well, they're compliant to regulations. They're not just able to do whatever the fuck they want. It seems like it sometimes because they get sued and they get fined and stuff, but trust me, they're not. And that's why they get sued and fined and stuff, because they were naughty, right? And so this package here with Zilliqa is going to offer for the institutions, right, the wallet services for what? For institutions. In other words, big money. So hedge funds, banks, family offices, asset managers, whatever. A place to store your, if I'm a hedge fund, forget hedge fund. If I'm a fund master, just a regular fund guy, well, I got to buy the assets and put it somewhere. Yeah, well, I have to have someone hold it. Hold it, right? So I have to have it custodied and, in some sort of wallet somewhere, right? On behalf of my fund. So this is the type of thing that will help fund masters get, a regulatory compliant wallet, which they then can put the assets into, which then they can offer the fund out of, if you get what I'm saying there, okay? So regulatory standards and transaction integrity. With this strategic alliance with Zilliqa Group, ChainUp is poised to expand its customer base and solution use cases, particularly in the wallet solution segment. This collaboration will further bolster ChainUp's already strong reputation in the blockchain ecosystem and appeal to wallet solution clients seeking robust, secure, and innovative services. With the acceleration of demand for integrated blockchain solutions, especially in areas like loyalty, tokenization, gaming, and the spatial web, ChainUp's enhanced capabilities will speed up entities' adoption of a comprehensive wallet solution. In other words, if I'm an asset manager, I can go to these guys and go, give me a wallet, right? I'm not going to have to, it's going to be easy. ChainUp CEO Sailor Zhang, reflecting on this collaboration remarked, we have entered into a collaboration with Zilliqa Group, a notable entity in the blockchain industry. This partnership aligns with ChainUp's current initiatives and will provide additional capabilities for our clientele. This alliance not only amplifies ChainUp's ongoing initiatives, but also paves the way for innovative offerings and capabilities for our diverse clientele. Right, what do you need? What do you need? If I'm a fund master, okay, maybe I have an actively managed fund, meaning I'm buying and selling the assets that are in the fund, right? An actively managed fund means the fund master adjusts what's in the fund all the time, almost daily, really, depending on how active the fund is. Whereas a passively managed fund, well, a fund master just needs a place to park the goods, right? The asset, and then it is what it is, right? It goes by the market, right? But an actively managed fund means the guy's got to be able to trade the fund, right? So, and that's what this talks about. It'll provide capabilities for the clients. You're a fund master? Okay. Actively managed, passively managed fund. Are you giving dividends? Would you like your funds, would you like these cryptos to be staked while in your fund? And then you give out the staking rewards to the clients of the fund? Or will the staking rewards go to you solely, right? Like, these are all the different options, right? All right, so it's a robust. So this alliance not only amplifies ChainUp's ongoing initiatives, but also paves the way for innovative offerings. So those are the innovative offerings, right? If I'm an actively managed fund, and inside my fund are all tokens that get staked, right? So that means I need to be able to trade my fund, and then I need to be able to get the staking rewards. And then if the staking rewards go to me, then I need these guys, ChainUp, to give me the staking money, or reinvest the staking money. Well, I guess they just give it to you. Or is the staking money going to be distributed amongst my clients? Meaning that this service will have to, if it's $1 million a month of staking rewards, and I've got, 10,000 clients, that means each of them gets $100, right? In staking. And when I give them the staking rewards, am I giving them it in coin, or is it cash settled? So you see all the different variables, right? It's kind of complicated, right? If you don't know. So this synergy marks a significant stride in cementing our footstep across Asia. And we anticipate the monumental growth and opportunities this partnership is poised to bring. So Zilliqa Group CEO Matt Dyer mentioned, a partnership with ChainUp signifies an important strategic move for the entire Zilliqa Group and Zilliqa ecosystem, bolstering our existing capabilities in areas like loyalty and gaming, while offering all new features and capabilities to both our portfolio companies as well as businesses and developers that leverage the Zilliqa blockchain for their products and services offerings. Right? So we're already excited about the potential of this partnership and the impact it stands to have, solidifying our presence in Asia together with a like-minded business. All right, so here's a little bit about ChainUp. Headquartered in Singapore, ChainUp is a leading global provider of end-to-end blockchain technology solutions covering infrastructure, right? That's what we need, infrastructure. Right? You can't have a market without infrastructure. And guys like this ChainUp offering those services to the masters, right? Like I said, to a fund master. I want a thing like ChainUp that's going to allow me to trade my fund, get my stakes, blah, 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 distributed the stake money, either cash settled, physically settled, right? This is the kind of thing you need. Right? And that's what I said about yesterday is we're going to start talking about this stuff, the infrastructure being built and the investment vehicles being built. So these guys are infrastructure providers. So infrastructure development and ecosystem support. Built on the mission to empower businesses through blockchain technology, ChainUp's innovative and all-around compliant solutions include digital asset exchanges, KYT, NFT trading, wallet, liquidity, Web3 infrastructure, digital asset custody, so offering custody, security token offerings, and more. So a nice suite of available services that this this company offers. Established in 2017, ChainUp has offices around the world, serving more than 1,000 clients in 30 countries, reaching over 60 million end users. All right, so anyways, we'll just read about Zilliqa. If you're listening to this, you probably already know what Zilliqa is. But anyways, Zilliqa Group provides world-class Web3 solutions and blockchain infrastructure as its core. The group's mission is to facilitate industries, governments, and entrepreneurs' seamless transition into the Web3 and spatial web, delivering secure and sustainable solutions that drive the creation of immersive products and experiences. All right, bang! So there you go, brothers and sisters. Zilliqa hodlers, bang! This is the kind of chicken, this is the kind of onboarding you want to see. And these guys, ChainUp, I mean, they offer a suite of services, which means they'll be able to service many different kind of financial institutions. From the trading desks to the asset managers to the fund managers, just the buy and hodlers, this is great stuff. But this is what you want to see. This is what we need now, right? We need regulated, and these are all regulated, compliant offerings that this company offers. So major corporations aren't going to have to worry about, am I running afoul of the law or something? No, these guys have you covered. Their stuff is all compliant, regulatory compliant, FATF compliant. Let's get real. FATF compliant, right? Financial Action Task Force compliant. So if I'm a fund master, I don't have to worry. I can go right to these guys and be like, all right, look, I'm setting up a fund. This is what I want it to do. Bang, give me those services. And in partnership with Zilliqa. So Zilliqa hodlers,